Hello and welcome to my kitchen. If you are a new visitor to my channel, do consider subscribing for awesome and easy recipes. Homemade spicy crackers, anyone? A healthy, no fuss recipe that you will really enjoy. Let's get started. These are the ingredients required for the recipe. Kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, white pepper powder, red chili flakes, sesame seed, coriander seed and cumin seed that have been roasted, salt, baking powder, whole wheat flour or atta, water, extra virgin olive oil. Crush the coriander and cumin seeds coarsely. Take the flour in a large bowl. Add in the sesame seeds, the crushed cumin and coriander seeds, chili flakes and pepper powder, salt and baking powder, and the dried fenugreek leaves. Give it a thorough mix using a whisk or a wooden spoon. You can add in any other herbs or spices or even seeds that you have at home and try out many flavor combinations for these crackers. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Add in the olive oil and water into the flour mixture. We'll require about 1/4 cup of water. I've added slightly less than that. So we'll just give it a mix. You could do this with your hand. That needs some more water. Use a tablespoon to add in water. That is just coming together and that is what we want. Knead the dough once it comes together so that everything is combined thoroughly. That looks good. Let it rest for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes are over, just knead the dough one more time. There's no need to put it in the fridge while it's resting because we are not using butter in this recipe. So I'll just split the dough into two parts. Flour a board. And start rolling it. We need to roll it really thin, just like we would roll out a chapati or a roti. You can actually see all the spices that we put in. Roll it out to even thinness. See how thin this is? That's how we want it. Use cookie cutters, bottle caps or knife, whatever you want to cut out your crackers. I am using a cutter which will give it a scalloped edge. If you want bigger crackers, you may cut them slightly bigger in size. That's totally up to you. Line a baking tray with some butter paper or parchment paper and arrange the crackers on the tray. Roll out the rest of the dough, cut them into crackers and line them up on the tray. You could even cut them into long strips like this using a knife. I'll use a toothpick to poke some holes rather than using a knife or a fork. So 9 holes on each of the squares. These will now go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they are done. They look done. Look at the lovely golden color on them. We'll put in the next batch for baking. Once they've cooled down slightly, place them on the wire rack to cool completely. You may brush them with butter or olive oil at this stage while they are still warm. I'll just leave them plain. Serve them with a hot cup of tea or coffee, or a dip, or even a pickle, and enjoy. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends.